and welcome to HNS Academy. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to create a table of contents in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. As you can see on your screen, we've got some sample data here with some headings, introduction, history, then we've got some subheadings under history, which is Asia and Europe. Then we have mathematics, science, English, and these are your headings. Now if we go up to the top, as you can see, if we select the introduction here, you can see the style, it has no style, it is under normal style. In order to create the table of contents, we'll have to change all of our headings into heading style. We have multiple heading styles here, which is a hierarchy of this. Which means that if we have heading 1 and then if we use heading 2, that will be a subheading of the one which we've used heading 1 for. So for that to work, let's change this into a heading 1 because this is one of our main headings. Then we move on to history. This is one of the main heading as well because we're taking it as a main subject. Then under heading history, we have two subheadings, which is Asia and Europe. So we'll make this heading 2 and this as heading 2 as well. Mathematics goes as heading 1. Okay, and then we have science as heading 1 as well. And then we change, let's move this to the next page, and then we have English as heading 1 as well. Now in order to create the table of contents, it will look nicer if we create it on a different page. So let's add a blank page here. We go to insert, blank page, and now we have a blank page on top here. In order to insert your table of contents, we need to go to the references tab, click on table of contents, and then just select the first one, and there you go, your table of contents is ready as per your headings. And you can see it has all the page numbers as well where those headings are. In order to check if this is correct, let's go down, let's see where English is. And as you can see, English here, it's on page 5 and it's on page 5 here as well. So now if we are to make any changes in our content and for that to be updated in our table of contents, let's see how that works. So for example, if we go down here and let's see here, if we copy some data and if we paste it multiple times so that our English section or English heading moves to a different page. Now it's on the 6th page. However, if we go up here, it still shows page 5 for English. Now in order to update this, click here anywhere on your table of contents, and it gives you the option to update the table. Click on this, it gives you two options. For now, we just want to update the page number for our English heading, so we'll just select the first option and press OK, and now you can see it has moved English to the page number 6. Now if we are to make any changes to our headings, for example, if we change this to introduction to, let's say, school. Okay, and now if we are to update that here, the heading, click here, then click on update table, then select update entire table option, press OK. Now you can see the heading has been updated as well. So this is how you can create your table of contents, which is an automated one. And if you make any changes to your content or to your headings, or you add extra content in there, then you can update the table by simply clicking on this option and then selecting any of these two options and press OK. So that's all for today's video. Hope you've liked the video and you've learned something useful. This can be very useful while you're creating your reports or you're doing your thesis, etc. So hopefully this will be very helpful for you. And if you haven't subscribed our channel, please do subscribe the channel so you can stay tuned to our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.